annual Branclex vaccination and dipping program was successfully carried out today at Branclef as part of ongoing efforts to safeguard livestock health and prevent the spread of serious animal diseases in the community. This initiative plays an important role in strengthening disease prevention and improving health protection for local farmers. The Department of Agriculture extends appreciation to all farmers and community members who took part and supported the day's activities. Animal health technician Sintwala, community animal health worker Sesetu Tetu are committed to healthy livestock and resilient farming communities in Branclef. The annual Branclex vaccination took place in Chris Hani district under Enokim Gijima local municipality. Isabelle Zolimo, Litlasa Amafama.